Yo, what's up guys? Dude, it's super hot today. As always, y'all know how it is, but we getting in a skate session. Yeah. Oh, it's slick. That's scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, so close. Alright, the goal is to kind of like glide on the rail. Just pretend like you're sliding on it like an ice rail or something. I don't know. I always have to like relearn this trick. It's a scary one, but if you don't practice it enough, then you have to constantly relearn it. So we out here, we trying, all right? What? Oh. Wow. Oh my. You can't be scared. You just gotta be prepared to fall. You just can't be scared. I'm scared. I got it right now. I got it right here. That's pretty nice. What you guys think? Damn. Alright guys, I want to see if I can do a longer board slide. I like front board, so we're gonna try front board, but just longer. I usually just hit the end of the rail. I want to get it longer than just the end of the rail. If I can, I'd like to do the whole thing, but you gotta be good. So it takes practice. Let's do it. I have to take a break in the shade because it's just so hot right now, but hope you guys are enjoying the session. And yeah, just gonna cool out for a bit. Chill out with me, all right? Alright guys, I'm freaking exhausted. You guys know when you're just so hungry that you just feel so weak and you just can't even skate anymore, like you can't even pop the board up anymore? That's how I feel right now. I just feel exhausted, and yeah, so I think I'm just gonna chill out for a while, cool down, eat some food, and maybe I'll go skate again later when the sun goes down. Maybe we'll get like a sunset sesh or something, so yeah. Alright guys, we are here at my local closed road spot. This is one of my favorite spots to skate at just because no cars can come through here, and yeah, it's just a nice, smooth, concrete, flat place to skate. I wanted to take advantage of this area before they build a road here because it looks like they're preparing to connect some roads and stuff, but for now, it's my skate spot, and I also get the most prettiest sunsets here. The sunsets in my city just look so nice, and yeah, so you guys probably know this spot from a lot of my shorts and a lot of my TikTok videos, so yeah, let's skate.